everybody, Roy from the Troll Hole Museum here. Of course, we got Jesse behind the camera there. Yeah, but of course, Jesse and I were always buying new items off eBay for a personal collection at home for revamping history. Could be old books, or could be pictures, or could be troll stuff. Yeah, so let's find out what we got here. Of course, we got a Mad magazine right here, featuring the troll there, Alfred E. Newman. Yeah, April 1993. Pretty iconic magazine right here, super awesome. So maybe we'll do another review about this magazine at some point. So stay tuned. Let's see what else we got here. So we've got an old pencil topper here. You got a Reisler. 1960s pencil topper right here. Super awesome. Yeah, so who knows? Some of these items we receive, sometimes we actually donate back to the Troll Hole Museum. Of course, more people can see and enjoy these things there. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and troll on.